How we doing, folks? My name is Chris Bragg. I'm a RV outfitter here at Colton RV and Marine in our Wind Gap, Pennsylvania location. Today we're going to be taking a look at the 2026 Gretch Terreno. Some new updates for 2026. And Gretch is brand new to us, so we're excited to show you everything they have to offer. Starting with the front of the RV, it's a Mercedes Sprinter chassis. It's a 2-liter turbocharged diesel 4-cylinder, 211 horsepower, 332 foot-pounds of torque. I have had the pleasure of being able to drive this particular unit. Not far around the block, but I did get to drive it, and it has a lot more power than you would think. Gets up and goes, also has a towing capacity of 5,000 pounds, so if you wanted to tow a small trailer behind you, you'd certainly have that ability to do so. Coming around the side, you have all of your hookups here. This is all stainless steel. You'll find your 30-amp plug-in. You'll have your black and gray tank valves, your waste pump, your hose that is retractable just down below here. It does have a macerator. This will pull out. As we come around the side here, this is the 3500 series chassis. It's a 170-inch wheelbase and just shy of 23 feet in length. Right now, the seating area is down in the bed position, so a little bit different of an angle. You can see what your sleeping arrangement would look like. You also have a power shade and screen that come down in the back here, so if you wanted to open the doors, have a little breeze come through, you can do that here and up in the front of the coach as well. Before we move into the inside, a couple things of note. It does have a power awning that does have wind detection. Gets windy enough, prevent any damage, it will go in automatically. New for this year, standard equipment is going to be the Starlink. So you have internet access anywhere in the world. As we open the door, the power step comes out. On the side here, you have a little extension for some counter space, some added counter space. If you're not using your sink, you have all this to work with. Induction cooktop with 2 burners. Here's some closet space for you. A spot for you to be able to hang your clothing, your jacket. The seating, you do have swivel seats. So I wanted to turn that around and display that for you so you could see. You also have a leg extension. Some of the most comfortable seats that I've ever sat in, not just in the RV industry, in the automotive industry. One of the most comfortable seats, the softest leather I've ever sat in. Very comfortable seating. As we come a little further back, your refrigerator, 12 volt. No fins in the way here, so you have plenty of storage. It's deep. Don't have to make constant trips to the store. There's your freezer. For storage, you have 5 overhead cabinets. Very easy to open and operate. Push it in to unlock it, lift it up. And you have both hands to be able to grab everything you need. Air conditioner. Your air conditioning is a 15,000 BTU AC made by Grech. It is very quiet. It is on high right now. Don't know how well you can hear it. Maybe the microphone is picking it up, but super quiet, the quietest in the industry. Moving a little further back here, as I mentioned, you have your cooktop and you also have an induction air fryer, convection oven, microwave, all in one unit. All right, so brand new for 26 is their infotainment area here. This is produced by Garmin now. Last year it was Firefly, this is Garmin. Very easy to use. Instead of having a menu of pictures down the side to depict what it is that you're looking for, it's actually labeled right there for you. Very easy to use. Your home button, this is your home screen. If you want to mess with your lighting, you have the ability to not only touch what light that you want, but also adjust the intensity. Audio, you can play your music, play your tunes through the whole RV. Power. It's convenient that we're at this spot. Power. Brand new for 2026 is a 51 volt lithionic system. You have darn near 1,800 watt hours of use. What that means for you is about 14 hours of air conditioning before you have to recharge. Recharging is driving it, recharging is plugging into your 30 amp hookup on the side, and that'll power your battery back up. So now a 51 volt system as opposed to the 12 volt system in the prior years. Climate, again, very easy to use. Cool, heat, what do you want it to do? That is a heat pump in that AC as well, so it will put out hot air. You have a Timberline system that is going to operate not only your heat for your furnace, but also your tankless water heater as well. And then blinds. Every single window has a blind that is power, it's automated. For now, we're going to put your seats up in a sitting position. It's as simple as that. So in the back of the coach, 7 seats. So this is a 7-seating RV. You have 5 back here, and of course the 2 in the front. Back here we have our smart TV. It's a Vizio TV. Also has Apple TV standard. Which is located in here. Also you have the ability to control your heat for your water and for your furnace. All right. Step inside here, we have our wet bath. So you have your sink, your porcelain toilet with foot flush, and your shower head and sink all in one. A retractable clothesline, and a window, because who doesn't like a view when they're using the bathroom? All right, well, that's a wrap on the 2026 Terreno by Gretch. I appreciate you spending a few moments to learn all the exciting things that Gretch has to offer with me. And please, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. My name is Chris Bragg, and again, I'm down here at our Wind Gap store. My phone number here is 610-863-5239, and I'm at extension 816, and I look forward to helping you get camping.